And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your REALME 11 Pro Plus. So, in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax, so we can launch it. Decide that you want to get notifications and add the permissions to camera and to the files. Now click on the plus. Oh, okay, there is a place where you can get your free credits, so it could be helpful. Okay, then click on the plus to choose source of your document. I guess I'm gonna gallery any picture, for example that one, and click import. Now you can add a shape to a picture of your document and click on the arrow. Now choose the filter for that photo to make it more visible for the receiver, and if you're ready, click accept. Then you can enter the number and choose the country from the list. And now if you want to send it, just get your free credits like before, or buy it and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.